Welcome to Getting Better Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. 8 ways to fall even more in love with your partner. Falling in love is one of the biggest relationship milestones there is. There is no measure for love, just like there's no measure for any feeling. Every emotion is relative. Your love for your partner will ebb and flow with your relationship. You are never going to feel a deep perpetual admiration for your partner. But what you can foster is what I believe creates more of an understanding of falling in love with your partner, the sharing and acceptance of your feeling. You form a deeper bond with the person when your emotions are on the table and you witness them being accepted and understood. If you are looking to fall more in love with your partner, try these feeling-focused ways. Number 1, let your partner know your greatest fears. We all worry about something in life. Maybe we fear the day our parents pass away, or we worry we will never amount to anything. Whatever it is, that fear is a heavy burden to carry. Talk to your partner about what your greatest fears are in life. Let them know you are not sharing this with the hopes they can fix things. Rather, you just want to be understood. Allow your partner space to do the same. Number 2, share parts of your past you don't share with others. Our past is not something to be ashamed of. Everyone has gone through something. What matters is who we are today. Sharing the not so stellar parts of your past takes away the secrecy you have held on to throughout your life. You are putting your cards on the table and giving your partner a chance to love you regardless. And when they do, which they most likely will, you are going to feel a kind of love you have never thought you would. There's nothing quite like having all parts of you loved, especially the parts of your past you don't like. Number 3, show your partner appreciation every day. Relationships are bound to hit a plateau. When you see someone all the time, you start to become used to their presence. It becomes a new normal. If you're not careful though, you can start to take your partner for granted. The days of winning your partner in an attempt to form a relationship might be over, but that doesn't mean you should stop showing them your appreciation. Whether it's a back rub, taking out the garbage, or surprising them with their favorite slice of cake, keep showing them your appreciation for them. Don't let that flame burn out. Number 4, talk about your love languages. If you aren't familiar with love languages, you are going to want to be. Everyone receives and gives love in different ways. If you don't understand how that is, I suggest you read Love Languages by Gary Chapman. There are 5 ways in which you and your partner show/give love. Sit down together one day and talk about what yours are. Knowing this information will help you show love to your partner in a way that receives it best. Same goes for them showing you love. Number 5, spend a weekend alone together. Let me be clear, a weekend alone together that isn't in your apartment. When you are always at each other's place, you are going to become comfortable in those environments. That's completely fine and totally normal. But why not shake things up? Go for a weekend trip somewhere. Do whatever it is you both enjoy and remind yourself of how you both are when you are doing new and exciting things. Seeing your partner in that state is going to remind you of the part of them you don't see often. Number 6, put down your phone and simply be with them. The more comfortable we get with our partner, the more we tend to take our time together for granted. When you sit down for a dinner night out, do you reach for your phone while you wait for the waiter, or do you have a conversation with your partner? Your answer to that question is very telling of how present you are during your time with your partner. Opt to leave your phone in your pocket or purse while you're on a date with your partner. You will have more in-depth conversations and more meaningful interactions. Number 7, learn how to communicate during disagreements. How can you fall deeper in love with someone who is petty, yells and gets mean with you anytime you argue? Instead, learn how to communicate your feelings better. Remember that you and your partner are a team. It's not about who is right. It's about coming to a mutual understanding. By becoming better at arguing, you and your partner will feel safer and more understood in the relationship, terrible fights not included. Number 8, tell your partner why you are attracted to them. No one is a mind reader. Your partner can't magically know what it is you love about them. Maybe it's not all at once or something you do every now and then, but let your partner know why it is you love them. Tell them how it is you first knew you loved them. List out the things that make you feel like they are special. Hearing specifically why your partner loves you is like falling in love all over. If you haven't tried it, I suggest you do it as soon as possible. If you are willing to be open with your feelings, falling in love is something that can happen multiple times with your partner. I'll even argue it's something we should all aim for, because we can all use a little more love. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Keep getting better and have a nice day.